seated row using a band. For this exercise, we will be using an exercise band for resistance. Sit on the ground with your legs straight in front of you. You might choose to have a slight bend in your knees. Hold one end of the band in each hand. Loop the middle of the band around your feet. Sit up tall with a flat back. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Pull your belly button in toward your spine. Tilt your pelvis slightly so that you are not slouching. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle at your rib cage level. Gently pull your elbows back, trying to squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. Hold for 3 seconds. Return your elbows to the starting position. Repeat until you have finished 10 to 15 repetitions. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally.